If you want to apply wallpaper, effect, and frame on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to Wallpaper and Style, and then we can tap on the lock screen or home screen, depending where we want to apply the effect. So let's say I'm going to go over here, and if it is possible to apply the effect and frame, then you should be able to find both of these options over here at the bottom of the screen. So in here, we should be able to tap on the frame, and then we can choose the frame that we want to use. There we go. We have a couple of different options, as you can see over here. We can also go to color in order to choose a different color if that's what you need. And in the case of the effect, of course, we can swipe left and right in order to choose between all available options. In some cases, we can also tap on the current color in order to change it. There we go. And that's pretty much it. We can do exactly the same thing on the home screen if you decide to change the home screen wallpaper, if you want to update it a little bit as well. So if I tap on done over here, I can move on to the home screen. And as you can see here, I have exactly the same list of options. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.